In this video, a quick review and tasting of two swallows, salted caramel and citrus spiced rum. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make this tiki cocktail. It's the Rum Runner. Welcome back, Spiced Rum fans. It's Saturday, it's review time. These are going to roll today. Another out of the Rockstar staples. Yes, I did do this probably about 18 months ago, but I'm going to kind of cycle back through them and do my new kind of rum tasting notes for it, to kind of do the mixes for it. We've got a cocktail coming up at the end of the video. This is the Rum Runner. Lovely kind of tropical notes. This is, oh, so fruity, punchy, boozy, absolutely delicious. So stay tuned for that. That's at the end of the video. Right, two swallows. As you can see, where are they? That's the whole Rockstar stables there. Seven spiced rums. This was actually the second. I don't know. I think the pineapple grenade was the first one. I think. Anyway. This is the two swallows. That's the kind of weaker brand. So it's a 38% ABV, 76 proof. And we've got salted caramel. I swear that used to say candied citrus fruit. But anyway, citrus and salted caramel. That's what we've got. As always, Tom's got a bit of blurb on the back of the bottle. Thomas G. Hurst, the multi-award winning spiced rum. I can sense a trend coming here, a theme. I think that's on every bottle. So, multi-award winning spiced rum creator has made two swallows in tribute to his famous Victorian ancestor, Captain Matthew Webb. The naval captain rose to fame in 1875. My surname's actually Webb. I bet you didn't know that, did you? The captain rose to fame in 1875 when he became the first man to swim the English Channel. Webb drowned in 1883 while swimming the Whirlpool Rapids at Niagara Falls. In naval tradition, when a sailor drowns, the two swallows in his tattoo will carry his soul up to heaven. That's the marketing story behind the brand Two Swallows. As you can see, we've got grenades. There are two swallows up there. We've got grenades and we've got a bomb there. So let's dive straight into the tasting. So first up, just the aromas. Massive hints of salted caramel in there. Big rum notes. You get, interesting, I get the citrus just about there. Holding it there. Oh, that is absolutely delicious tasting. It tastes a lot stronger than its 38%. Very, very smooth. There's a theme here with all of these. Haven't tried them all. They are super smooth going down. There is no kind of ethanol aftertaste to them, in my opinion. I absolutely love that. I'm loath to give something a 10. I don't think, there's only a couple of rums that I have that I would potentially outdo this. I think 10's a big ask, but I'm going to go for a 9. Right, let's move on to the mixes. Same as the banana bomb. This is what I'm going to do going forward. And one thing I forgot to say, I'm going to make a table, and I'm going to, as I steadily go through, I'm going to put a table up. So there'll be a link where you can view my sort of league table online. And also another point to note as well, I'm going to swap this out. I'm going to retaste all these when I go back to, what's the other brand? This is Innocent. I forget Vita Coco, because I really don't like this. And I know Vita Coco works better. So I'm going to score it equally. It's kind of no point really. I'll go for this one straight away. It's just a simple, it's a 4. It's a 4 out of 10 at best. So yeah, I will redo these for Vita Coco. That'll be in the next batch of tasting. Anyway, let's move on to Coke. Now, interestingly, Tom's big goal, when I spoke to him a few years ago when he set this up, his big goal was to create, he was on a quest to create the best rum and Coke. And having drunk this multiple times before, I can confirm it is one of the best rum and Cokes that I've ever had. Strong 9, simply because I'm loath to give out 10s, because then that's perfect. And there's always going to be something that comes out that's going to be even better. I don't know what that is, but strong 9. I don't think you'll beat that at the moment. Ginger ale. Again, I love that, but Coke is my preferred brand, preferred serve. So I'm going for an 8 for that. Ginger beer. Again, it's a lovely, but Coke pips it. Ginger ale pips that. So again, that's going to be a 7 out of 10 for that. Tropical soda. This is interesting. It's nice. I'm going to go for an 8. I'm going to go for an 8 out of 10 on that. It's not quite Coke territory. But for me, it's better than ginger beer. Lemonade, Sprite. is up there. The flavours that are coming out is up there with the Coke. I'm going to have to give that a 9. It really is. No, because my Coke's the best way. I'm going to have to give that an 8. An 8, that's what I'm going for. And then the coconut's going to be a 4. Right then, the next two are obviously the Daiquiri test and the Rum Punch test. So I've quickly done this. I'm going to keep this as standard, the Daiquiri thing. I'm just going to go 2-1-1 for me. And the 1 is, so 2 parts rum, 1 part lime, 1 part Demerara sugar. That's what I'm going to use for all of these. That is delicious. I absolutely love it. I'm going to give it a 9. I am going to give it a 9. My preferred way to drink it would still be Coke, but that is a stonking daiquiri. That is really, really good. I think I gave the banana, and that's equally as good as the banana bomb in a 9. That has to be a 9. Very, very good. Right, the Rum Punch. 1 part sour, 2 parts sweet, 3 parts strong, 4 parts weak, dash of spice to make it nice. Aromatic bitters, lime juice. My sweet is always honey because I love honey in my rum punches. The rum, and then water, just plain old tap water. That's what's going in there. So I'm just going to keep those standard as well. So when we get into the flavours, you know, sometimes the honey's going to work. Again, it's a cocktail that is phenomenal. So, and then the final score to give it is versatility for cocktails. As I say, this is the Rum Runner. I think you can pretty much make any rum-based cocktail you wanted with that. Again, it's amazing. It's got the punchiness to come through, the alcohol in it. I've got to give that a strong 9. So this has scored 81 out of 100. Now, I'm going to show you how to make that cocktail. Right, cocktail time. And as I mentioned at the top, this is going to be a little twist on the Rum Runner. I think that's what I'm going to kind of do with these. I'm going to kind of find like tiki and rum cocktails and just twist them up with spiced rum. That's what I'm going to go for. So I've obviously got our 2 swallows there. Right, ingredients wise, I've got Giffard banana and Giffard Tayberry. Traditionally, the Rum Runner is a Blackberry Liqueur, but I love the Tayberry. It's kind of a cross between raspberry and blackberry. I've got Grenadine, I've got pineapple juice. I've got aromatic bitters, I've got lime juice, and I've got freshly squeezed orange juice. So this is a lovely, lovely sort of up my street fruity cocktail. Right, first ingredient, we're going 60 ml double bubble of our spiced rum, 2 ounces. The lovely sort of caramel notes from this will come through a treat. Get my OCD in, there we go, around the right way. Right, next ingredient is probably the best banana liqueur on the market. Love this stuff. 15 ml, half an ounce of Giffard banana, their posh banana. And then we're going for the same amount of their Tayberry, Framboise d'Orange. So half an ounce, 15 ml of that. This is luscious. Oh, proper vibrant berry notes. And a bramble as well. That's divine. Right, we're going for a little bit of grenadine. We never use too much grenadine, so I am going for about a bar spoon, about 5 ml. I could have used that little jigger, to be fair. It's got 5 ml in it. Right. So 5 ml of that. I'm going for some pineapple juice, pressed, proper pressed pineapple juice. That's what we need. 30 ml, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Basically, not from concentrate. That's what. Is that the right way around? Yeah. You want the stuff that's not from concentrate, not the concentrated stuff. You know what I mean. Right, let's go back this way. My bitters, you could go Angostura bitters, of course you could. I'm going for Miss Betty's Bitters Aromatic Bitters. Going for perfect, about a third of a pipette. That's what I'm going for. That'd be equivalent about a couple of dashes. What's that one? Lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice, 15 ml, half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then the final ingredient is my freshly squeezed orange juice, complete with bits, and I'm matching the pineapple juice, so 30 ml or 1 ounce of that. Oh, lovely. God, I can enjoy that last little bit later. Right, look at the colour of that. That's proper, isn't it? Oh, no, that's what I mean. Not much sugar in there at all. You're just relying on the sweetness from from the juices, to be fair, and the sweetness from that. So we're going to give this a proper welly. You know the drill. 10, 12 seconds. Right. Oh, that's good. That's good. Right. Going to serve this up properly. I've got my Tiki Old Fashioned glass. This is. That's what it's called. I'm just going to single strain this. Look at that, single strain that. Get down there. And then I've got some, what would we say, crushed ice, but it's more like cracked ice. Cracked ice in there. Fill that up. Yeah. Look at that. Proper. Is that right? There we go. And then garnish-wise, let's put that next to that. How does that look? Garnish-wise, I've just got frozen blackberry out the freezer. I've also got a pineapple. And pineapple leaves. If you want more spiced rum reviews and cocktails popping up on screen, dive into that playlist and one of those videos there. As always, if you like me, big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I think it's there.